Hey everyone! If the Rockstar Games Launcher gets stuck or freezes right after opening on your PC, this quick fix usually solves it. Start by opening this PC, then go into Documents. Inside that folder, find Rockstar Games and remove the entire folder completely. Once it's deleted, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again. If needed, reinstall the launcher and open it fresh. If you can't find the Rockstar Games folder, check OneDrive. On many Windows systems, Documents is stored inside OneDrive. Open OneDrive, go to Documents, locate Rockstar Games, and delete it from there. This folder holds launcher configuration files, and when those files break, the launcher stops responding. Removing them forces the launcher to rebuild clean data. After doing this, the launcher should open normally without freezing. That's all for this fix. If it helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying